All right, here's part 3 of the restoration of the Redwood Scenic Railroad. I did do some digging over there off camera. I had to cut the entire mountain back to the fence because the wood is starting to rot. So my dad's gonna put some stuff right there so it like covers the wood. Then I'm gonna put the dirt back. But for now, this is what it's gonna look like. I did do some dirting on the mountain to make it look more fresh for now. And eventually I will get portals and all that. But for now, we're going to be laying some track. Yeah, we're at that stage already. So I think I'm just going to time lapse it because, you know, it's kind of, track laying is kind of boring, but, you know, here we go. All right, as you just saw, I am laying the track down right now, just you know, making sure everything is good. I had to go get some more clean track, so you know, got it through the tunnel all the way up to that point right below my finger. So now we're gonna fix that, and I think I'm just gonna do it now and just quit wasting time. I think I got one extra curve than I actually needed. I think I need an extra straight though. Let me know how everyone's doing in the comment section. Like how your day was, how whatever you were doing was, etc. I'm just gonna have to YOLO it. Let's get some straight track. I want it to be clean because, you know, fresh look. I like that there, that there, and then link it up. Moment of truth, everybody. Boom. So the track down all that. That. Yep. I think. Just check the tunnel really quick for clearances. Yep. I think we're good to go. There we go. After quite a bit of sitting and just being left to rot, we got it to a state where I can actually run trains. So, yeah. Let's give a quick tour really quick. Alright, so here is the newly restored Redwood Scenic Railroad. There used to be a tree here, but it's just dying, so we just cut it up and all that. But, yeah, here it is. It feels so amazing having, like, all this back, because, I spent God knows how long, like, building it in the first place, and just see it back, it's nice. I'm just about to track a little bit. I think I actually misaligned the tunnel a little bit, but I think if we just, like, scoot it or something, or just, like, adjust this part, should be good. But, yeah. Here's where the siding used to be. I'm debating whether or not I should bring it back, but who knows? I may and I may not. And then here's inside of the tunnel. Get that glare out of there. It's got a little bit of a hill on it, but you know, should clear up with like passages of trains and all that. Here's the stuff that I did off camera. I dug all of that the entire way, and there's dirt pile. I also put some dirt here because probably not gonna have a bridge here anymore, so I'm just gonna fill it in. There's the tripod and all that. Here's the gravel that I've been using. It's a pea gravel, I believe. It's a dry handful. It's round, but you know, I hope it'll work. Here's the track. So yeah, this is quite a bit to do now. I think I'm just gonna go around a little bit, do some final adjustments before declaring it fit for service. Just pat that down a little bit. All right, time lapse time. All right, there we go. Here's what the railroad currently looks like. After quite a while, a couple of days of like restoration, pulling weeds, digging, relaying ballast, relaying track, it's finally done. It's complete, kind of. Well, not really complete. It's like still stuff to do, but like it feels complete. Like it feels like it's back. Like, you know, Anyway, I'm gonna call it quits for today. Probably throw up some footage of trains running, I don't know. But yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about this, because, you know, I would like, you know, what I've been noticing is, like, my channel has kind of just been, like, losing subscribers, and that's kind of on me, because, you know, I haven't been uploading recently, because, you know, like I said, my motivation has kind of just been deteriorating a little bit, but, you know, this project gives me a motivation, but now that it's, like, almost done, you know, motivation's probably gonna drop again, but, you know, just know that I care about each and every one of you. Y'all mean the world to me. But anyway, that's enough emotional stuff. I'm just gonna head inside, probably eat some dinner, call my friends, I don't know. But yeah, this is part 3 of the restoration of the Redwood Scenic Railroad. Next, I'm probably gonna be doing some hill work and maybe portals for the tunnel. Who knows? Who knows, maybe even running a first train. Alright, well, that's all for tonight, or, you know, this evening. See you in the next video.